Want to make anyone instantly feel heard and like you more? It only takes 2 words, and most people never notice them. Think about the last conversation that truly moved you. Maybe it was a tough interview, a high-stakes negotiation, or a heart-to-heart with someone you trust. Now imagine if, in that moment, the other person had made you feel as though every word you said actually mattered. Like you weren't just speaking into the void, but connecting, for real. What if there was a hidden technique, a way to forge instant rapport, diffuse tension, and make people want to open up to you, all with the simplest of tools? This isn't about manipulation. It's about connection. And it's one of the most powerful communication hacks you've never been taught. Conversational echoing. Picture the calm voice of a hostage negotiator repeating the suspect's own words back to them. You just want to be heard, right? The tension in the room drops. Now, see a therapist gently nodding, softly repeating a client's feelings. So you're feeling overwhelmed? The patient exhales, feeling the invisible weight lift. Or imagine a date, leaning in, echoing back. Betrayed, huh? That must have hurt. Instantly, trust deepens. When you subtly repeat a few key words, someone just said, you're not just filling space. You're lighting up a primal trigger in their brain. It's as if you're holding up a mirror, silently saying, I see you, I hear you. They feel validated, understood, safe. Now, consider the opposite. Picture a conversation gone cold. Dead silence, awkward pauses, eyes darting away. Compare that to another, where the listener is present, echoing, nodding, responding with warmth and curiosity. The difference is night and day. One conversation feels transactional, the other transformative. You don't need scripts. You don't need charm. You need one thing: presence and a simple mirror. This is the secret sauce great communicators use everywhere. Job interviews that turn into offers. Couples rediscovering each other. One echoed, feeling at a time. Friends opening up about dreams and fears they've never shared before. Business deals sealed, not because of clever pitches, but because someone felt truly recognized, not just heard, but understood. Echoing works everywhere. Because people crave something more than advice. They crave recognition. But here's the twist: a word of caution. Like any powerful tool, echoing can be misused. Overdo it, and you risk sounding robotic, fake, even manipulative. Parrot back every word, and people feel you're playing a game, not connecting. But get it right, you become magnetic. People want to talk to you. They lean in, share more, trust you more. The mirror becomes a bridge. Let's see how this plays out in real life. A manager sits with an employee who confesses, I'm just overwhelmed by the new workload. The manager quietly echoes, you're overwhelmed? And waits. The employee nods, encouraged, and says more. If a friend vents, I'm frustrated by the delay. You respond, frustrated by the delay, and suddenly the conversation opens up. The simple act of repeating a key phrase signals you're tuned in, not just waiting to talk. You'll notice this everywhere once you look for it. In therapy rooms, boardrooms, even at the dinner table. The most charismatic people aren't the ones with the flashiest words. They're the ones who make others feel seen in the smallest of ways. What's happening beneath the surface? Neuroscience has an answer. When someone echoes our words, our brain's social bonding center lights up. We feel safe, respected, part of the tribe. It's ancient wiring designed to foster trust and cooperation. In a world of distractions, echoing cuts through the noise. But it's not just about words, it's about presence. When you echo, you can't be scrolling your phone or rehearsing your next point. You have to listen, really listen. That's why echoing is so powerful. It forces you to slow down, to be in the moment with the other person. So, how do you master this art? Start small. Next time someone shares something important, repeat a key word or phrase, softly and with genuine curiosity. So you're excited about the change? You're feeling uncertain? You want more clarity? Notice how their body language shifts. Watch as their guard drops. Let the conversation breathe. And always, always remember, less is more. Echo sparingly. Use it to show you're with them, not to fill every silence. The magic is in the subtlety. Master the mirror, and you master the moment. The art of conversational echoing. Simple, subtle, unforgettable. Thank you so much for joining us today and taking the time to watch. If you found this content helpful or interesting, we'd really appreciate your support. Please give us a like, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tips and engaging discussions. Your feedback and encouragement mean a lot to us and help us continue bringing you valuable content. Thanks again, and we look forward to seeing you next time.